How to log in into Quicken tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this tutorial video, I will teach you guys how to log in into Quicken tax account. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser. For example, I'll be using Safari. Now search for the Quicken tax login on the search bar. After searching, this type of interface with different links and websites will be appeared on your screen. From these different websites, click on the very first one that says sign in. Now here you can see you need to enter your Quicken ID or email address in order to continue logging into your account. In case you have forgotten your Quicken ID, tap on forgot your Quicken ID option below the continue. Or if you are a new user, you can tap on create account option. So simply fill up your information and tap on continue, and with that you are good to go. In this very easy and simple process, you can log in into your account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.